Okay, we're in downtown St. Louis and we're at the chicken games. It's kicking chicken time. All right, here we go. The goal's right here. Here they come. Here they come. Kicking chicken. Kicking chicken. Oh yeah, we're out here downtown St. Louis 2025 with the January games of kicking and chicken. Yeah. Monster Jam 2025. Woo! Kicking chicken, baby. Yeah. Be here or be there because you won't be square. It's kicking chicken time. Oh, yeah. She shoots, she scores in downtown St. Louis. Chicken in the corner. Chicken in the corn. Chicken in the corn. Dun-dun-dun-dun. Chicken in the... Kicking chicken time. She shoots, she scores on the kicking chicken. Kicking chicken time. It's kicking chicken time. Out here in the salt. Out here. Chicken. Chicken and salt. Chicken and salt. She shoots, she scores. She shoots. It's a swing and a whiff. Out here. He goes back out into the field. Kicking chicken in downtown St. Louis. She shoots. She misses. She comes up a little wide. They're coming around the trash can. They got sticks out on the field. Oh, Ethereum's up 5%. Solana's at 20%. Oh, she shoots. She comes around the net. He passes out to Melina. Melina comes in. She shoots. She scores! In downtown St. Louis. Yeah. The chicken's starting to shred. The line's coming out. She shoots. She scores on the double door. Yeah. All right, it's kicking chicken time. Let's kick the chicken. There's a guy out on the field. She shoots. She misses. Swing and a whip. She shoots. She misses. Oh! And the crowd goes wild. She shoots. She misses. She shoots. Ah! She shoots. She scores with the kicking and the chicken.